All right, so we are going to continue practicing logarithmic equations. In this case, we're going to kind of review converting between logarithmic and exponential. We've done this before, but it's been a few weeks. So for this one, it says for any numbers a, b, and c with a and c positive, a cannot be 1, we have the following relationship. So we have log with base a of c equals b, if and only if a to the power of b equals c. So the first one is logarithmic equation. The second one is an exponential equation. So we can convert very easily back and forth between these two. And you notice I color-coded them, and I do that on purpose. I really like my color coding. Makes it super easy to kind of reference back and forth. So we have our base A here. We have our base A on this side. C is our kind of answer over here, our solution to our exponential equation, and it's what we're taking the log of in our logarithmic equation. B is actually the exponent in the exponential equation, and that's our solution to our logarithm. So we can see very quickly that the A, B, and C are used in both. All right, so however, when the base E is used, we do not write log E. Instead, we write ln, which is read as natural log. Okay, so note that E, that should say E there, darn it, is a special irrational number that its value is E equals 2.718281, continues on and on forever. So it's a special irrational number, kind of like pi, right? That has its own value as well. So when the base of the logarithm is E, we write the relationship as follows. So the natural log C equals B if and only if E to the B power equals C. So very, very similar over here. But remember, this is the natural log, which means that it has a base of E. So instead of seeing log with a base of A, I'm seeing natural log, which immediately means that my base is E. My exponent is still the B over here. I forgot to highlight that one red, darn it. And then we have our C. So the C and the B have not changed. It's just that base that has changed between logs and natural logs. So rewrite as a logarithmic equation. So this is an exponential form. We can see that down here. So I can see here's B is X and C is 8. So I'm just going to change it to this natural log. C is 8 equals B, which was X. So there we go. I've written it in logarithmic form. So that converting between logarithmic and exponential form for both logarithms and with base 10 and with base E. I hope that helped, and I'll see you in the next video.